In this video, let's see about Git Flow. Git Flow is a branching model for Git that helps manage and organize development workflows. It defines specific branches for different purposes such as feature development, bug fixing, and release preparation. While Git itself doesn't enforce a specific workflow, Git Flow provides a set of conventions and guidelines to streamline collaboration in a project. GitHub, being a platform that hosts Git repositories, can be used in conjunction with Git Flow to facilitate collaborative software development. In Git Flow, there are several main branches. Let's see one by one. The first one is master, represents the production ready code. Then the DevOps serves as the integration branch for feature and bug fix. Then the feature branch created for the development of new features. Then the release branch used to prepare for a new production release. Hotfix branches created to fix critical issues in the production code. The workflow typically involves creating feature branches of the DevOps branch, merging them back when complete, and periodically creating release branches to stabilize and prepare for production releases. Hotfix, hotfix branches are used for addressing urgent issues in the master branch. This structure provides a systematic approach to managing the software development lifecycle. So we have commands like git flow init, git flow feature start, and git flow feature finish. Then start a release, finish a release, start a hotfix, finish a hotfix, etc. So let's do it practically. So let's learn how to work with feature branches in terminal. So we'll just start with make make a directory. So mkdir make directory git flow. What I'm giving is now ll. You can see we have no files, so I give git status now. We have no repositories as well, so let's give git init to create a new repository. So I'm doing git status now. You can see we are on master branch. Let me give clear now. So if I do git log now, git log one line, you can see we have no commits yet. So let's clear it first. So let's see what will happen when we do git flow h. So let me give git flow hyphen h. Git flow is a built-in command. It has lot of subcommand that will let us to work with the entirety of Git. So after this, I'm giving a command as git init, git flow init. What it do is it initializes git flow in our repository. Need to give enter for everything now. So I'm giving enter for everything. It will take it default by default. Everything will be by default. That's why. So after that, let me give clear. If I say git status now, it says we are on branch DevOps. Let's say git branch now. You can see we are on DevOps branch and also we have master branch. After that, I'm giving git flow -h. Then I'm giving git flow feature -h, git flow feature -h. So it will bring up the list of all stuffs. It's taking time. Let's wait for 1 minute. So you can see here -h-v were both show like it's giving list of all existing feature brands in the local repository. So after that, let me try to give git flow feature list. Git flow feature list. What it will do is list of all the git flow feature branch. Now we need to create one branch. Let's say git flow feature start. Let me give rev1. It will create a branch and let's wait. I don't know, my laptop is taking little bit time. So we are on branch rev1. So I'm giving git branch now. You can see all the three branches: DevOps feature, rev1 and master. Git flow. If I give again git flow feature list again, it just lets the new feature branch. You can see, you can notice here we have prefix feature with the rev branch. Now I have just gonna create a new file called index.txt. Then I'm giving git status to know the status. You can see here index file is adding, so we need to come add and commit it. So I'm giving git add, then git commit -m add script. Let's say add script itself, RIPT. So I'm committing it. After that I'll give clear, and then I wanna know log. So git log -one line. You can see we added script, and we in the main branch we have only initial commit. So let me clear it now. So after clearing it, let's we are on let me give, you can see we are on a rev branch. So let me give now git flow feature start rev 2. This time I call it rev 2. So let's wait. So let's do LL now. You can see total of 0 commits and files. So I'm creating other file called touch touch rivalry dot text. Then I need to add it, so I'm giving git add. After that I need to commit, so let me give git commit -m add rivalry, see, rivalry script. After that I'm giving git status, sorry, git status. You can see we are on branch rev 2. After that I'm giving git log -one line. You can see one rivalry script added. So I'm giving LL now. After that let me clear. You can see rivalry text. So now I'm giving clear. So we do. So what we need to do is git checkout to DevOps. So I'm giving git checkout DevOps. So develop. So we have switched to our develop branch. So I'm checking the git status now. You can see we are on develop branch and I'm giving LL. You can see we have no file. So if we check out to feature branch now, I'm giving git checkout feature rave feature rave 1. So we switch to feature rave 1. This time let's try to finish the command. So I'm giving git flow feature finish. What they should do is merge the feature branch into develop and delete the feature branch. You can see here, yes, it is was merged into develop. Rev 1 was merged into develop. Feature branch has been locally deleted. So now if I give git branch, you cannot see the feature rev 1 branch. So I'm giving git flow feature now, feature list, list, feature list. So you can see only one feature branch. Let's wait. You can see rev 2 here. So what I'm doing is now I am giving clear, then let me give LL. After that, let me give git log. You can see commit 1 and 2, commit on develop and master. You can see add script and initial commit. So these are the commits. So if I give clear again and let me do checkout. So let me do checkout to feature 2, git checkout feature hyphen sorry /rev 2. So this will switch to our rev 2 branch, which uh, will bring us to the second feature branch. So let me give LL now. So if I give git, let's try to finish this branch. So I'm giving git flow feature finish. Let's wait for a minute. You can see here it is properly merged. Yellow writing is just commit message. So let me. So if I give git branch now, you cannot see the feature rev to branch 2. So let's clear it and let's give git log hyphen one line. You can see all the 4 commits which we have done, including the merge branch. This is how the git flow is.